Let's say you want to take screenshots at specific points in your project. Normally, you would press N to set the end of the work area at the first frame. Make sure the preview render is set to full for better screenshot quality. Go to File, Export, Add to Render Queue. In the Output module, choose the format for your screenshot, JPEG sequence or PNG sequence. Select the destination folder where your screenshot should be saved. Click Render to generate the screenshot. And here's the final result. This process needs to be repeated for each screenshot, which can be time-consuming and inefficient for multiple screenshots. A better way is to use the free console plugin from Video Copilot. Search for Console plugin on Google, download and install it. Ensure the render preview is set to full for the best results. Press Ctrl-Space to open the console window. Click on the screenshot icon to capture an image instantly. Click on the folder icon to view your saved screenshots. Right-click the screenshot and choose Open in Explorer to locate the file. You can now repeat these steps easily for multiple screenshots without extra effort. Additionally, you can use the screenshots directly in your project timeline. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tutorials.